Good afternoon. If you are looking to install the International Keyboard to be able to type Spanish characters or other characters from other international languages, installing the International Keyboard is a very simple process. This is the tutorial for how to install it on Windows 11. First, you're going to go to the Start menu. Then you're going to go to Settings. From Settings, you will go to Time and Language. From Time and Language, you will go to Language and Region. From here, you will click on English United States, since we are going to put the International Keyboard functions on a United States English keyboard. We select Language Options. From down here, you want to add a keyboard, and you're going to add the United States International. You see that I already have this installed, but I'm going to show you the process. Add a keyboard, scroll down, and you will see the United States International keyboard. Click that option, click away, and you will see you'll have a United States keyboard and the United States International, which allows you to type in this case, Spanish characters. Okay, click away. You can close the window. And now when you go down here, you can toggle between English United States keyboard and an English International keyboard, which allows you to type Spanish characters. To type the Spanish characters, you click the quotation marks bar tab on your keyboard, and then the vowel. You click the quotation marks button and then another vowel. You do that the same for all of the vowels. And as you can see, the accent marks are placed there. To type the N with the mustache, you click and hold the Alt button on the right-hand side of the space bar and hold the N, and there's the Ñ. To type the upside-down question mark, hold the Alt button on the right side of the space bar and type the question mark. To type the upside-down exclamation point mark, hold the Alt button and type the exclamation mark. And there is how you type the Spanish characters. Good luck.